ஹாய் காய்ஸ், வெல்கம் பேக் டு ஏகே ஸ்பீக்கிங். நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் நான் பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா லைஃப் ஸ்டேஜ் அந்த கேமோட கேம் ப்ளே தான் இன்றைக்கி நம்ம வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபுல்லாக பார்க்குறதுல பாட்டாக தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இது கேம் வந்து ஸ்டோரி கேம். இது ரொம்ப பெருசு. இது ப்ளே ஸ்டோர்லேயே அவைலபிளாக இருக்குது. இந்த கேமோட சைஸ் கிட்டத்தட்ட 1 GB வருது. டெவலப் பண்ணி விளையாண்டு பாருங்கள். வாங்க நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிட்டு பெல் பட்டன் அழுத்தினீங்கன்னா வர வீடியோஸ்லாம் வந்துடும். லெட்ஸ் கோ.
Where am I? What's happening? I'm trapped in a storm. How did I get here? And where is here? Wait, there's the lighthouse. I'll be safe if I can make it there. I hope. Please let me make it there. Come on, Max. You can make it. Holy shit. That was so surreal.
Famously called film Little Pieces of Time. But he could be talking about photography, as he likely was.
Okay, I'm in
Pieces of
class.
time can frame
Everything's
us.
cool. I am okay.
From light to shadow. From color to chiaroscuro. Now, can you give me an example of a photographer who perfectly captured the human condition in black
I
and
didn't
white?
fall asleep, and that sure didn't feel like a dream.
Bueller?
Weird.
Diane Arbus.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her images of hopeless faces. You feel like totally haunted.
Look at this crap. How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson? I can hear the class laughing at me now.
ஓ அப்படியா? தெரியல, ஒன்றுமே புரியல.
By the eyes of those sad mothers and children.
She saw humanity as tortured, right?
I should take a picture to prove I'm still here.
Keep
Plus, it's perfect for my portfolio.
Seriously, though.
And I have to get my
I'm
daily
afraid
selfie
you in a dark
quota.
corner.
I can't believe I still have this pencil case. I should upgrade to the 21st century.
That to me,
But I like it old school.
isn't that too easy? Too obvious? What if Arbus chose to capture people at the height of their beauty or innocence?
If anybody else looked at this, what would they think?
என்னடா இது?
She had a brilliant eye. So she could have taken
I
another.
haven't kept up with my journal as much as I should.
I have to admit, I'm not a big fan of her work. I prefer Robert Frank.
Look at this crap. How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson? I can hear the class laughing.
Of post-war beat.
I can't believe I still have this
And there's
pencil
honesty
case.
about the
I should upgrade to the
conditions of
21st century.
But a beauty in the
But
struggle.
I like it old school.
You don't have beauty without a beat. Which explains why Frank was Kerouac's photographic muse. And both were the great crush. I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift. Of course, as you all know, the photo portrait has been popular since the early 1800s. Your generation was not the first to use images for selfie expression. Sorry, I couldn't resist. The point remains that the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for as long as it's been around. Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
You're asking me? Let me think.
You either know this or not, Max. Is there anybody here who knows their stuff?
Louis Daguerre was a French painter who created daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria. The Daguerrean process brought out fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward. The first American daguerreotype self-portrait was done by Robert Cornelius.
Sorry, Max. No more selfies right
In
now.
your textbook, or even online. And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry, too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me. Yes.
Victoria doesn't waste a second kissing ass.
Submitting your photo for the competition, everybody in class is turning in a photo, so you see the dilemma?
I know, Mr. Jefferson.
I see you, Max Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about your entry. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Do I have to? I just don't think it's that big a deal.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch up. You're young, the world is yours, blah, 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 right? But you do have a gift. You have the fever to take images, to frame the world only the way you envision it. Now, all you need is the courage to share your gift with others. And that's what separates the artist from the amateur.
Every time I look at Victoria, I feel like she's talking smack about me. This is ridiculous. I always get so shy and nervous around Mr. Jefferson.
விடுறாதா?
I should have known. She'll have better equipment than Blackwell.
அப்படியே கிளாஸ் விட்டு லீவ் பண்ண ஓட்டா கேட்கல.
You didn't
tell me how cute I looked yet.
I was about to.
They're just getting
You
your
always-
Welcome to the real world.
Just cute.
Hot.
Then I might send you a special picture.
ஸ்கூலா
He plays it so sharp.
I need a serious timeout in the bathroom. Splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
I hate that class. It's so fucking boring.
She's so fucking shy.
சாரி ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் என்டர்டைன்மெண்ட் ஏன்னா விளம்பரம் போட்டு பாட்டு போட்டாங்க பாட்டு லைஃப் இப்போ ஆரம்பிக்குதடா அட பாருங்களா
I've seen Brooke hanging out with Warren. She seems like his type.
Driving a car by the seaside, watching the world from the bright side.
செட்டிங்ஸ் நல்லாவே இல்லை மூஞ்சி கழுவணுமாண்டா டேய் மூஞ்சி கழுவலாமா பாட்டா
Empty, good. Nobody can see my meltdown, except for me.
Go to the bathroom and splash. Use. Splash now,
Just relax. Stop torturing yourself. You have a gift.
Oh.
Fuck it. When a door closes, a window opens. Or something like that.
Oh.
Okay, girl, you don't get a photo op like this every day.
போட்டோ எடுத்துடலாம் அது இடு அவன் வந்துட்டான் கேம்ஸ் பார்த்துருக்கோம் வந்துட்டானா வேலை
It's cool, Nathan. Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just count to 3. Don't be scared. You own this school. If I wanted, I could blow it up. You're the boss. So what do you want?
I hope you checked the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family, not me.
Oh, boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here. I bet your respectable family would help me out if I went to them. Man, I can see the headlines now.
Leave them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.